What's up, babe? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get these gorgeous, natural, beautiful brows by Motives Cosmetics using one product. Motives Cosmetics Brow Palette. Very, 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 very simple brows today. Get a close up. So if you want to find out how to do these gorgeous natural brows, then darling, stay tuned. Okay, so for brows today, we're going to be starting off with the Motives Brow Palette. I'm going to just be focusing on natural brows today. So get a little bit of powder on your brow brush. So to carve out a beautiful shape, I'm going to be starting off with the base of the brow, going all the way up to the arch, then coming down to the tail. Then we're going to be starting on top of this line here, same principle, going all the way up to the arch and then coming down. You want to make sure that these two lines are parallel and that the tail carves off really, really nice and sharp. Okay, let's get started. Second step is just to go ahead and fill it in. So I'm going to be using this color right here to fill in 3/4 of my brow. So from here all the way until the tail, okay? Just go ahead and fill it in. Now I'm going to be going in with this color right here, which is a very, very, very light color. And I'm going to be using that to fill in the base of my brow. Okay, so just go ahead and fill in the base of your brow. Next step, as always, I'm going to be going in with Motives Eye Base, okay? So just take a little bit of this on a synthetic brush, and what we're going to be doing is using it at the bottom of our brows all the way up, carving out that shape just to create beautiful arched, okay? Nice, sharp, arched brows, all right? This is going to act like a bit of an eraser just to clean up that line, and it's also going to act as a base for when we apply our eyeshadow. So just starting at the bottom, go all the way up to the arch, same principle, down to the tail, and then fill in the whole eyelid. And that brings us to the end of this brow tutorial. So you can see here that after you actually fill in here with eye base and foundation, that it really creates a beautiful shape. Like it just makes them look more snatched, more arched, and more beautiful. So yeah, here's a close-up now. And also, while I was doing my brows, I realized that I really need to actually trim them, tweeze them, and clean them up. So I promise in the next tutorial I will show you how I grew my brows. But that brings us to the end of the tutorial. I'll do my outro and I'll see you on the next brow tutorial. Bye-bye. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you need any help, then sound off on the comments below. Until I see you on our next tutorial, peace and blessings to you, darling. Love and take care. Bye.